Seabourn and Barbados launching summer luxury cruises from July 2021. Seabourn is developing plans to restart guest sailings on a second ship. The series of voyages are open to any guests that are fully vaccinated against COVID-19. Seabourn guests will be required to comply with all health protocols that may be in place at the time of their departure. Seabourn, the ultra-luxury cruise line, together with the government of Barbados, is developing plans to restart guest sailings on a second ship through a series of new summer voyages operating round-trip out of Bridgetown, Barbados, beginning on July 18, 2021. The brand also previously announced plans to resume guest operations in Greece aboard Seabourn Ovation starting July 3. Seabourn Odyssey will operate 7-day cruises from Barbados to southern Caribbean destinations, including idyllic ports of Call in Antigua, the British Virgin Islands, Dominica, Grenada, St. Lucia, St. Martin, and St. Kitts. The voyages are open for booking on April 21. Guests can also choose a 14-day option, which combines the two distinct 7-day itineraries between Windward and Leeward Islands in the Caribbean Sea. Previously released itineraries for fall 2021 sailings include additional port calls in St. Vincent and the Grenadines, Guadeloupe, and Martinique. The itineraries include unique Seabourn experiences that become highlights of every traveler's trip. The caviar in the surf at Carambola Beach has become a perennial favorite, allowing guests to enjoy beautiful beaches while Seabourn team members wade through turquoise water to serve chilled caviar and champagne. The day also includes a lavish barbecue lunch featuring grilled lobster, fresh fruit, and other delicious dishes. A marina day is also scheduled, where the ship's staff treats guests to an afternoon of active watersports operated directly from a platform on the back of the ship. We are grateful to be working in concert with the government of Barbados to restart tourism in Barbados and the Caribbean Sea, said Josh Leibovitz, president of Seabourn. The entire Seabourn family is energized to provide our award-winning service, dining and entertainment on board Seabourn Odyssey starting again this July. We look forward to welcoming Seabourn back to our shores and are pleased with the outlook for the restart of the cruise industry, said Senior the Honorable Lisa Cummins, Minister of Tourism and International Transport for Barbados. Safe travel is our priority, and placing vaccinations and other key public health travel protocols at the core of our cruise industry restart will not only restore traveler confidence, but also offer comfort to visitors and Barbadians alike. Each sailing also features a sea day for time spent on board enjoying venues like Earth and Ocean for al fresco dining, cooling off with artisanal gelato made fresh daily by the culinary team, or a host of activities available aboard Seabourn Odyssey. Those who prefer quiet relaxation can find a comfortable chair in Seabourn Square to read or even take time to watch the scenery go by on deck or from their private furnished veranda in their suite. The series of voyages are open to any guests that are fully vaccinated against COVID-19. Fully vaccinated is a minimum of 14 days following the first or second dose, for those vaccines requiring 2 doses, of the currently approved COVID-19 vaccines being administered. Proof of vaccination and the dates given will be required. Approved forms of documentation will be confirmed closer to time of departure and must be shown at the terminal prior to boarding. Seabourn team members will also be vaccinated. Seabourn guests will be required to comply with all health protocols that may be in place at the time of their departure. Travelers should check on travel requirements regularly for both inbound travel to Barbados and their return home, since policies continue to change based on the latest advice. Additional initial preventive health measures under Seabourn's Travel Safe program will also be in place, including health screening questionnaires, face mask requirements, physical distancing and capacity controls for indoor venues, as well as enhanced environmental sanitation and upgraded high-efficiency air filtration in the heating and cooling system. The brand's protocols are subject to change as work continues in collaboration with medical experts and government bodies to ensure the practices evolve in line with the latest advice. Seabourn's priority is to protect the health and well-being of our guests, team members, and the people in the communities the brand visits. Seabourn is finalizing additional details for these voyages, including more information on the shoreside experiences, and will share them in the coming weeks. They will also be posted on the Seabourn website.